Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am super excited because we are opening up the February Ipsy bags. Well, 2 out of the 3. We have the regular Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 bag, and the Ipsy Plus, and these are my PR bags. Later in the month we'll have my paid bags and then also the new Ipsy X. Did you guys customize? I think it looks pretty dang good. But before we get started, I just want to say hi if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them often on our channel. I say every day, but we've been a little behind. And yeah, if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. So for my fact of the day, you guys, I am using a brand new camera lens. So if anything looks different, that's why. I haven't had much time to mess around with it. I was looking into it before this video and then I realized it's already past 8 p.m. and I'm already way late. So this will be part of my learning experience when I look at it. Look, maybe it even looks the same. I feel like it looks like I'm a little further back. I don't know. I'm looking at the viewfinder. If I stare at that a lot this video too, that's why. So yeah, we have my February PR bags and then also some new Ipsy refreshments. So they're subscription service and I think they seem pretty good. I can't wait to try them. And before we get to the baggings or unboxings, whatever you want to call it, we have some Ipsy bag tips. So I will leave them on the screen. I was going through them before this and it seems like we're getting a lot of repetitive ones, so I'm going to leave the ones on the screen that I think are very important, like ones about masks and stuff like that. Good reminder. I know it's been forever, but still got to keep up the work, people. So I was wondering, do you guys want me to keep doing this bag tip of the month, or do you think we should come up with a new idea? Do you guys have any additional bag tips? Please leave a comment down below. If you guys are unfamiliar, I like to share tips on how to use your Ipsy bags in all of my Ipsy videos, because if you're like me, you've been getting Ipsy for a while and the bags are super cute, but they accumulate, so I thought it'd be fun to share ideas. So you guys leave comments and I feature them in videos, and even if I don't feature it in the video, you guys can see everyone's comments and like and share and comment back in the comment section down below. And I said comment way too many times. So the theme, of course, for February has to do with Valentine's Day, and I think the bags are so cute. So here is the front of the regular Ipsy bag. And it says sealed with a kiss, and it's from Ipsy. And then look, it really is sealed with a kiss. I love it. And then the plus bag, so cute. I love the red and gold together. And the theme is send love. Perfect, goes with the bags. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, YOLO. Glossy red nails, you deserve it all. So how about we start off with the $12 bag. So we already talked about how dang cute the bag is. Guys, I think these are really good, this bag this month. So there's a lot more makeup. So I did peek, of course, because I just said that, but I tried on one of the items. Yeah, just one, right? And I really like it, but that's in the Ipsy Plus, I think. So there's 9 items total they sent me, not including the refreshments. And I think I have it right, but sometimes in these videos my PR comes all together, so it can get it mixed up. But anyways, this is by Item Beauty. It's a mascara. It's the Item Lash Snack. And I kept it in the bag because I'll probably put this in a giveaway, because my favorite mascara is the Thrive Cosmetics, and I mention it every single video, so you'll never forget and you should try it. I'm sure that'll be a good mascara. If you guys have tried it, please leave a comment down below. And we got a cleansing balm, this itty bitty cleansing balm. I received one before from this brand, but I haven't tried it, or I gave it away. I really do like cleansing balms when I'm not lazy and do a double cleanse. I always kind of do a double cleanse, but lately it's been like micellar water. But I think balms are great. And this is their Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. So this sounds interesting to me. So yeah, you just use this on dry skin when you have your makeup on, and then you do the second cleanse after to get it all off. So excited about this, and I feel like smelling it for some reason. I thought it would have a cucumber scent, and I don't know if it does or if that's just in my head. You guys can pretend. If you guys have used this, what is it smelling? I wonder if there's not autofocus with this. And then we have another itty bitty guy here. This is by Glam Glow, the Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. But for an eye cream, I don't think getting itty bitty sizes is bad, because you only need a little bit. And it is packed full. And then the last two items are makeup items, and this is by Love You First. And I think that's cute, the name goes with the theme, right? Perfect eyeshadow duo in rose gold and ivory. So I love little duos and quads. I feel like it makes it so much easier to do a quick makeup look. Oh, I broke a nail. My nails are so bad. Okay, got it open. I'm about to say, I've had trouble opening things. There's a mirror, and then here are the two shades. So I swatched them earlier because I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this on my eyes or something I got in the plus. I went with the plus. But I think this would make a really pretty quick look. And I don't know if I've tried this brand, Love You First. But the last item I'm really excited about, I wanted to use it today, but I didn't think it would go. It's by Bite Beauty, and it's a mini lipstick. And this is the Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Strawberry Frosé. I want one of those. It doesn't smell like anything. But I like Bite Beauty. I haven't tried it too much, but I've tried some lippies, and I think they reformulated it since I last tried it. And maybe this would have gone, but... And if it's a lip stain, it lasts all day, and it feels really like comfortable, and it's not like too intense like some stains can be. I don't know, and it's a pretty color. I'm super excited about that. So yeah, that was the regular bag. I always say regular bag, the $12 bag. You guys know what I mean, and I think it was really good. Let me know your thoughts. I honestly can't remember if I looked to see what's coming in my regular bag, if I chose anything. Who knows? But let's move on to the Ipsy Plus. So I think I left something out of the bag because I was going to use it. How about we start off with the item I used? And this is what's on my eyes. And it's the Fluid Eye Paint Matte in Dionysus. If I'm saying that right, that's the shade. I think the packaging is super cool. And I was really curious about this because the color when I swatched it earlier was so pretty. And I just put it all over my eyes. I didn't know how it would work. It might not be perfect because this is kind of new to me. Using a liquid like this that's matte and not just like a shimmer or like a topper. But I love the color. I feel like it makes my like blue-green eyes pop. I really never know what to check off. I think they're more blue today or green, I don't know. But yeah, so I feel like with hooded eyes, it doesn't dry down like right away, so you will get some creasing if you can't like sit still like I can't and let it dry, but it's really easy to work with because it doesn't dry really quick, so I was able to just use my finger. So I put this on with the applicator and then use my finger to blend it out, and I think it's really pretty. Like, I might not be perfect like I said, but I'm excited to try this more. I love the color. Oh, and I didn't say the brand. About Face is the brand. So yeah, I am actually really excited about that. And I say actually because usually I don't like liquid products, but now I'm like a cream girl, liquid girl. I don't know. Things are changing. Never say never. And one thing I have out of the bag because I thought I would use it is a It Cosmetics brush, and this is one of their foundation brushes, but I think it'd be better for powders, maybe not. I just use my fingers to put on like my tinted moisturizers and BB creams and stuff, and then go on with the sponge afterwards, and I thought maybe I would use this, but like I said, I'm a cream girl now. I didn't use any powders today. So the Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush. And it has an interesting shape, doesn't it? I don't know, but I've heard a lot of people rave about these brushes, and this is probably like $30-something if I remember correctly what their brushes are priced at. So yeah, I'll have to try this, but I still don't really know how I'm gonna use it because it doesn't seem dense enough to be for creams. So 3 items left. Next is something by Tokyo Milk. It's a hand cream, and I love their hand creams. I haven't smelled this yet, and it's really cool. It has a heart on it. It's called, oh, Heart and Soul. This is Ann Soul right here. Oh, I didn't even have the light all the way up, and it still didn't. There, you can see with no lights on. So the Heart and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream goes with the theme. It's made with oolong tea, bamboo reed, orchid, and air white musk. I think it's like push on. Oh, and the hand cream matches. I like the heart on it. And even the inner box. Oh. Let's take a sniff. Oh, there's a safety seal. It's very lightly scented, I think. Oh, I smell it more now. Yeah, but that's like a good thing. It's not overpowering. What did I say? yes. I get the orchid and the white musk. I like it. And yeah, I have makeup all over my hands. I can't like put it everywhere. I'll put it like on the tips of my fingers. I'm excited to get that. I love their hand creams. And then we have something by Gold, Fat, and MD, so some skincare. This is the problem. Oh, it tells you what the problem is to treat. So the problem this treats is uneven skin tone. It's a solution Vital Boost Daily Moisturizer. It has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. And Dr. Golden Fin's multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. I've gotten this brand before in boxes, but I don't know if I've ever actually tried it myself. I think it went into one of my giveaways. But I'm curious what gooseberry does. I know you guys are so smart, someone will tell me. And the last thing I got, besides the refreshments we'll talk about next, is so pretty I'm afraid to use it, or I like want to take a picture of it before I use it. It's by Mally, and it's a sun-kissed blush palette. So I already got my grubby little fingerprints all over it, but on the inside, so there's a mirror. But then look how pretty this is. I hope it comes through. Like, see how it has, the shells have those markings? I didn't want to ruin it. I hope it's showing, but it's so pretty. I love it. And the colors look so pretty. Even Mally is on there. Oh. I love it. So yeah, you guys, these are both really good. I would love to know if you guys got any of these in your paid bags. Again, I can't remember what I picked or what's going to be in mine. Oh wait, we're not getting the regular Ipsy Glam bag if we get Ipsy X. So I'm not getting the regular Ipsy X, yeah. Right? So Ipsy X replaces the regular bag, so I'll be getting my Ipsy Plus and the Ipsy X, or does it replace the Ipsy Plus? I should know this. I don't know why it seems so hard. Let's talk about the Ipsy Refreshments. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy Refreshments is, it's pretty new. It's only been around for like, what, 2 months or so with Ipsy, but they send it in a cute bag similar to the Ipsy Plus bag, drawstring style. And you can sign up to get like essential products. Like I have already a hand cream, which I keep on my desk. There's a body cream. They also have makeup wipes, which I think is in my bathroom over there. So stuff like you use all the time. But now they have a shaving cream and a razor. So I was super excited when I saw this, especially the shaving cream. I always just use like whatever like bath gel I'm using. But this is their pillowy shave cream in citrus spritz. And it matches the packaging of all of their other items. So it says lather up and coast. It's a smooth, smooth ride. It's ideal glide for an extra close shave, and it has a moisturizing formula. So yeah, I'm excited to actually use a product that's like meant to be for shaving and see if it makes a difference. And all of their products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested and vegan, free of all the yucky stuff. And it always comes with stickers, which I get like really excited about, like I'm like 7, but and then here is the razor kit. So Luxe 5-blade razor kit. And it says glide gracefully over curves and make way for smooth. Built-in soothing strip, 5 blades for extra close shave, helps prevent bumps and burns. I get bumps sometimes, like in the bikini area. TMI, there's no such thing here. Sorry if you guys feel that way. Then pair with our pillowy shave cream for an even smoother shave. Ooh, I'm excited. I love the razor I use now though, so I'm curious to see how this compares. I use the Fab razor. It's the one that you can go back and forth with. It cuts down time and I really love it. I haven't found anything else I like as much. I haven't really tried though in a while, so I'm definitely gonna give this a go. Oh nice, it came with some refills too. So leave this so you can hang it up in your bathroom. That would be convenient. I feel like I always lose those, or I don't know what happens if they even came with my other one. Probably not. Oh, and it's cute. It matches everything else. It's like the purple and the green. And then we have 2 razors. So I love it. I think this is a great unboxing overall. What do you guys think? I'd love to know your thoughts, and also thoughts on Ipsy X. And you can tell me your fact of the day. Is there something new, like you're trying, new hobby you're learning? I'm trying to like, there's a million things I'm doing right now, but learning how to use my camera better, like I should have been trying harder this entire time. So hopefully my video quality improves. Yeah, I would love to know if you guys are like doing anything new, quarantine, you know. I heard that's happening again. I don't watch the news anymore. I don't want to get into it, but you know, we've got some time at home still, but maybe not. Maybe you're venturing out and doing something new. I would love to hear. Also, your thoughts on the Ipsy bag tip. Should we continue? Do you guys have any new bag tips to share? I can't wait to hear from you. I hope you're all having a great night or day, whatever time it is when you're watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.